The Current Credit Builder card operates as a secured credit card designed to help individuals build or rebuild their credit history. Here's how it works. Security deposit. To open a Current Credit Builder account, users are required to provide a security deposit, typically ranging from $50 to $200, depending on the credit limit desired. Credit limit. The credit limit on the Current Credit Builder card is determined by the amount of the security deposit. The credit limit is usually equal to the deposit amount. Responsible usage. Cardholders can use the Current Credit Builder card for purchases, just like a regular credit card. It's essential to make timely payments and keep the card balance low relative to the credit limit to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Reporting to credit bureaus. Current reports card activity to major credit bureaus such as Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This helps cardholders establish a positive payment history, which can improve their credit score over time. Graduation. With responsible card usage and timely payments, cardholders may become eligible for a traditional unsecured credit card, and the security deposit may be refunded.